Do you know you can actually utilize AIs and make nothing less than $1,000 to $3,000 every single month, regardless of where you are living? Yes, you heard me right. With the help of AIs, you can actually make nothing less than $1,000 to $3,000 every single month if you watch this video to the very end. And the most interesting part of it all is that you actually don't have to be an expert to actually start doing this. All you simply need is an internet connection and a smartphone, and you are good to go. So in this video, I'm going to share with you several ways in which you can actually use AIs to make money. Like, the AI industry is very vast, as you can see. Every single day, new AIs keep coming up. Every single day, AIs keep taking over a lot of things. And the best thing you can do for yourself, if you are someone in this era who is looking for a good money-making idea, is to grab one of these opportunities that AI is offering and then make as much money as possible through it. So with this already said, and without taking much of your time, if this is your first time here, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel at the very end down in the comment section. So guys, the first one on my list is actually utilizing AIs for content creation. As we all know, content creators make a lot of money off the social media platform. In case you are not aware of it yet, let me let you know that with the help of AIs, you can actually make a lot of money as a content creator. And using AIs to create content is some of the best thing, like one of the best thing you can actually know out there, because you can use it to make money by creating content on this platform, and at the same time, you can also use it to make money by teaching people exactly how you also do it yourself. Now, when it comes to making money with AI content, it's simply you staying behind a computer or a mobile phone, using AI to generate the characters, using AIs to generate the voiceovers, and then using AI to generate the video script and every single thing out there. Now, on this channel, I've made several videos on how you can actually use AIs to create content and make money as a content creator. And this is an opportunity that I would say every single content creator out there, or every single hustler out there, need to get their hands on, because with AI content creation, everything is like simple and on autopilot. You don't need any heavy gadget. Like in my own cases, you have to get a microphone, get a camera, get a light stand, and then get a laptop and all of this unnecessary stuff. But if you get started with the AI content creation, you don't need any of this stuff. All you simply need is that you need an internet connection, a laptop, or simply a mobile phone, and you are all good to go. Now, this is the first method on my list in terms of making money with AI, simply making money from content creation. Now, another thing a lot of you don't know about this is that when you are making money with AI as a content creator, it doesn't limit you to any other monetization option. Because I keep hearing a lot of people saying that when you are monetizing your YouTube channel, Facebook page, or TikTok account with AI content, it limits you, or you being faceless also limit the way you make money. Now, the truth is that you being faceless doesn't actually limit you, because I've seen people sponsor videos on faceless channel. I've seen sponsored videos on like AI channels and all of that. There are a lot of AI channels out there. In fact, most of those AI channels are recently even gaining more traction than the channels where we show our face like this. Because those AIs, well, a lot of people don't know who is behind those channels. They don't even know the identity of those people. They don't know the appearance of those people. So when it comes to sponsoring content on those channels, they don't even care about the personal appearance. They just focus on the AI character giving them what they want. So now the first tip on my list when it comes to making money as a content with AI is simply utilizing it for content creation. Now, I advise to watch this video to the very end, because if one method doesn't suit you, that doesn't mean the rest four might not suit you. So you have to stay to the very end to see which of them, and then pick the most lucrative one according to your own judgment. So now let's move over to the point number 2 on my list. Now, the point number 2 is simply using AI for affiliate marketing. Now, I know you are surprised that how can you use AIs for affiliate marketing? Now, the truth is that what AIs has gone so vast that you can actually use them for almost every single thing out there, which include using it to sell product for people in exchange for cash. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, for those of you who don't know about this industry yet, affiliate marketing is simply a business model whereby you sell product for people and they earn a commission from it. Like if you go onto Amazon right now, you can earn a commission nothing less than 5% up to 20, 50, or even 30%. At times, even more on platforms like AliExpress affiliate. These platforms actually allows you to sell people products on their behalf, and they get to pay a commission for it. Now, when it comes to selling this product, it doesn't mean that you have to buy this product, keep it in your warehouse, and then when people order, you do the shipping. No. All you simply do is that what you simply direct people to this particular product on those websites, and when the people buy it through your unique link, and then you get paid those commission for it. Like, for example, the way you use AIs for TikTok affiliate marketing is simply you find a product. So, for example, let me say I want to sell a camera. Now, I'll go over to AliExpress, which is the one I use because Amazon affiliate is no longer in Ghana, so I use AliExpress. So, for example, I'll pick a particular camera that I want to sell. Now, after taking the camera, I'll simply grab the link of that camera and then go put it in a certain software, and then the software will create the whole video for me about that particular camera from the link that I gave to it. Now, after the AI generate this content, then I'll go post this video on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and then whatever platform where I want to manage, market the affiliate program, I just go post it there. Now, once I post it in there, then I'll create a bio link where I put all the products I'm promoting, and then add a link in my profile bio as well, attachable in the video description. Now, when people click on it, it takes them straight to that particular product, and then when they buy that product, I get paid nothing less than 10 to 20% of whatever amount of that product that I am selling. Like most of the cameras range between, let me say, a flat fee of about $1,000 to unlimited amount. So let me say I promoted a product of $1,000. Now from every single sale, 10% is averaging $100 from every single sale. Now do the math yourself. If I can generate up to 20 sales every single month, that's about $2,000 generated in a month with the help of AIs. Now, in case you want me to do a full video on how you can use AI for affiliate marketing, then kindly let me know that in the video description. I'm going to do a full video on how you can get a product, use AI to create the content, and how you can also grow those platforms to actually market those products for you. Now, with this already said, let's move over to the point number 3 on how you can actually make money using AI. Now, the fourth point is simply using AI for copywriting. Now, copywriting, over the years, copywriting is a business model that has paid a lot of people a huge amount of money. But then, for you to be a good copywriter, you need to be very good at writing, and you also need to be a fast typer or a fast writer in general. Now, with the help of AI, you don't have to actually meet up with all those fast typing criteria or fast writing criteria. All you simply need is that have a little idea about a particular industry, and then AI help you do the rest. Now, when we talk about copywriting, it's simply someone who gets to write sales copy for companies or product sellers. It must not be big companies always. You can be a blog writer, writing blog posts for people. And then, like, there are so many different business ideas out there that need copywriters to actually help them optimize their websites or write a sales copy for them. Now, you as an AI copywriter, all you simply do is that you first of all pick an industry, build a little interest in the industry, and then get some idea about the industry, know as much as possible from the human perspective about that industry. Now, once you have this idea, and then you go reach out to companies that you see that have similar products, or you simply build out a portfolio for yourself, probably a social media handle where you talk about that particular business over and over again. And then when these businesses reach you out, either for you to write a blog post for them or whatever thing related to that, you simply charge them for it. And then what you simply do is that you simply draft a rough copy of the key point that you actually need to create that sales copy for them, and then AIs help you do the rest, and then you do some human formatting because AIs are not always 100% accurate, so you always need to go through. Like, even if you go over to my website right now, recently, I don't even write most of my blog posts myself. You see this video that I'm giving you right now. I'm actually going to convert this video itself to a blog post. Now, how do I do this? What I simply do is I'll take this video, put it inside my video editor, generate the captions, and then I'll copy those captions, put it inside an AI, and then AI will pick out the key points and then use it to generate a blog post for me. Now, you as an AI copywriter, this is the thing you also need to take advantage of. Just be able to draft a rough copy of whatever job you've been given, and then give it to AIs, and the AIs will help you do the full write-up, and then just do a little bit of modification and submit it to the person. Now, if you go over to platforms like Fiverr and a lot of those freelancing platforms, you realize that a lot of these copywriters make nothing less than $50 to about $500 per single task. So let's just go on a simple basis. Say you are charging $200 for every single work. Now, do the calculation yourself. $200, and then you get up to 5 jobs every month. Let's just take it as a 5 job in a fair range. So that is about $1,000 generated a month just from using AIs to help you do the work that you should have done yourself. Now, remember the advice I give to you here. Don't go into every single industry. Be specific about the industry you want to go into, and make sure that you get some ideas about that industry so that when AIs make mistakes whilst writing this copy for you, you can do the formatting yourself. Now, the final tip I have for you here when it comes to making money with AIs is simply be an AI mentor. Like, there are a lot of people out there that are wishing to learn how they can actually use a lot of these AIs. Like, we have ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, we have Midjourney, we have Microsoft Designer. Like, we have different AIs out there with different features, different purposes, and all of that. Now, what you do as an AI mentor is that you get yourself, like, you get a time, like, just get a free time, and then use it to study about all of these AIs. You can study about ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT in various ways, Gemini in various ways, Copilot in various ways, Midjourney, Leonardo, and then there are so many AIs. You simply learn about this AI, see how they work, how to use them, and then try to practice your hand on them, get decent information about them, and then you get to teach people on how they can also use this as well. Like I've seen a lot of people come to me on how they can use ChatGPT to help write blog posts, how they can use them to better optimize their website or do business related stuff, and I put them through at a fee. And you too can also do this, because a lot of AIs are out there, and most people find these AIs out there, but then they don't know exactly how they can use them to their advantage. So what you simply do is that what you learn about these AIs, and then you teach people how to use them, and they also make money from it. Remember, at the end of the day, the most important thing is that you delivering quality in exchange for cash. Because in every single business model that I shared with you right now, it's simply a system whereby you know about something, you give someone a value out of it, and then you also receive value in return. Now, this is simply all about it in this video on how you can actually make money with AI, simply utilizing AIs to make money in various ways. There are various industries out there that AIs actually, that depends on AI. And what you can simply do is simply come in and then be the help they need, and then get paid in return. So now, if you find this video helpful and you need more great business ideas like this, kindly let me know down in the comment section, and I'll bring more as much as possible for you. And if this is your first time here, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button. So now, with this already said, hope you find this video helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.